Yeah, now we arrived to Sankt Eriksplan. There's been an accident on somewhere on the line, so it's a lot of delay in the traffic here. In this morning, 10:15 now. This is one of the older stations inside Stockholm city. This is the green line. Train go to Hässelby. You see all bench, all style. But they have bench, that's good. Some stations don't have it. And now I see also that the escalator is also not working. It's a lot of problem this morning with the traffic and the escalator, but it's a short step up. This is very shallow station compared with many of the new ones. They're very deep. Entrance. We are up on Torsgatan here. And I'm looking for a bus here. Oh, it's a biker in front. Fast, fast, fast. So now we're off here, and here you have these two quite new condo houses. Oscar Properties built them. In the beginning we had big problem with leakage, hard to sell because very expensive, but they fix it, so I think people are happy to live there now. And in front you have Karolinska University Hospital. It's the newest hospital in Sweden. It costs like almost double the price they come up with from the beginning. It's, I should say, it's about 4 to 6 years old now. It's a big one. And as you see, they have construction here in front, but they have bike line. And here is the entrance to Karolinska University Hospital. Maybe I take a walk inside and look. I've never been inside. Just to check the reception area. So now we're inside. See what they have here. Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, here is the cash to book. When you book time, you have to go here. Pharmacy, pressbyrå, kiosk, information desk. Also restaurant here and cafe. Yeah. And this pressbyrå, it's like 7-Eleven. But here they also sell coffee, like 7-Eleven, do. Biscuits. Small library here. And another little shop here. Smoothie. Elevators up here. 4 elevators. Room for silent. Here. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.